Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is again regarding ticker symbol MMAT, which is for metamaterials. I have been covering this a lot. Even though I'm not making video, it doesn't mean that I forgot MMAT, because we have been making day trading and swing trading on MMAT for last few days, and this is a very good one. We have been making money almost each and every day. So what is happening today? So the first of all, we were sensing something is gonna be coming, right? So today it was up almost 16%, and after hour it is up by 6.5%. in total you can see almost 22% up. So in this particular video I want to talk about the chart, the support, resistance, what is happening and where it might go, and also some other news, why it is going up, also short interest, some other data, option chain activity, why people are buying lots of call option out of the money. So hopefully you will like this particular video, and if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, also do not forget to join my Patreon community. And while I'm talking on Patreon and Discord, so this is my Discord link and I have few different tiers. So become a Patreon member and you will get access to our Discord chat where we talk a lot of things. We do day trading, swing trading, long term option and everything. And you can see today around 3:16 p.m. I talked about MMAT, right? Something is coming, and you know the after hour it went up already. But we have been making money, 4.1 to 4.4, 4.4 to 5.1. We have been making a lot of money. So anyway, if you like this kind of trading, live notification, I suggest you join our Patreon and Discord and become a member. We can all make money together. At the same time, if you want, you can also join my YouTube community. You can click on the join and you can become a member here, and you will see same thing, support, resistance, lots of trade ideas during the day, pre-market, during market hour, even after hours, so that we can all make some money. Anyway, this video is not about my Patreon and Discord. This is all about MMAT. So first of all, look at the chart here, right? So it was moving good. Some volume came just before end of the day. It went around 5.4, came down, and you see boom, 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 went up, came down, again went up, and currently it is moving sideways. And definitely we have our resistance around 5.8. so whoever bought today around 5.2, I said sold at 5.8. if you are day trader or swing trader, it might run again, but again you lock your profit, then again if there is a dip you buy back, and again you ride the wave. But very exciting. Now let's look at the chart, what is happening. First of all, this is the daily chart here. You can see the chart here, and most probably you know what happened. At one point it went to $22, came back to $3, again moved sideways, and again going up. Just looking at the daily RSI, you can see it went to 89, the RSI, then came down, moved sideways for some time around 35, and again it started picking up, going higher. Currently it is sitting at 69. Anything over 70 is overbought, so it might run again one more time, two more time, I'm not gonna say, but this is a rising trend in the RSI, meaning that it's going up. Also, if you look at the daily chart, look how it is happening. So the green bars and the blue line represent the buying pressure. So more buying pressure, then less buying pressure, then more selling pressure, again less selling pressure, and now we see more buying pressure. And you can see the blue line has crossed the orange line and it is going higher, so which is a bullish sign, first of all, on a daily level. And after that, one more thing I want to show here. So the purple line here, this is a 50-day moving period. So what was happening, you can see, so the price was below 50-day moving average, and for last few days it was trying to go over this 50-day moving period. And thank you Sandra for mentioning that moving period. I forgot, but now I'm bringing that. So there was a battle happening, right? There was a battle happening, but yesterday it opened right from this purple line, and today it opened over. So very bullish sign. It is now staying over 50-day moving period, moving average. So if instead of 50, if I go back to 100, let's see where we are sitting. So 100 day is little longer. Even on 100 day we are sitting somewhere here around $5. So very exciting. Anyway, I will come back to the chart because I want to talk about the support, resistance and more stuff, but before that, let's see what is happening. So if you already know, on August 31st, very recent news that MMAT, huge upcoming catalyst, Metamaterials is expected to open their 68,000 square feet state-of-the-art nanotech facility soon, which will scale production for the company. The company is currently on a 10-year lease and will start making monthly payments of 42,000 USD in September. So that was the news first of all, and after that we see a change in price. At the same time, if you remember, on August 5th, 2021, a news came that Meta announces agreement to acquire Nanotech Security Corp for 90.8 million, and I think this thing will the closing of the transaction is expected to occur in early October, subject to satisfaction. So anyway, another news. Now let's look at Fintel, what is happening. If you go to Fintel, you will see there is only 0.95 million shares are available to short. If I look at the short borrow fee rate, still nothing, 2%. If we look at SPRT, BBIT, those numbers are very high, 80%, 100%, but this borrow fee is not that high. Also, if you look at the short volume ratio, it's not crazy. Like yesterday it was only 25%. It means that people were not shorting that, even though at the time it was going up. But if you look previously, 32%, 56, 27, so you see a mix, right? Before that it was really high, 31, 43, 52, 55. Now with the rise in price, so there is less short volume ratio happening every day. If you go to Reddit, I was trying to see something, and I found a post here from STPolly45. Thank you. So it says today the short interest change is 2.8%, which increased with the current short interest of 9.2%. And if you look at the cost to borrow, the average is 3.4% and the minimum is 3.1, max is 4.6. So this is the current data. Now let's see some other important thing. If you look at the volume here, so the average MMAT volume is 19 million, but today's volume was 39 million. So more than double volume came, which is really a very, very good sign. If you look at the volume, you will see the volume I'm displaying for last 1 month. So look at the price action, look at the volume. The important thing is look at the volume for this week. You see huge volume here, then reduction in volume, again nice volume came. So again nice volume came today. If there is more continuation, then if we see more volume tomorrow, maybe there will be even more price. The important thing is it has to break 5.8 resistance. I will go back to the chart. Few other things I want to show before I go to the chart, that this is the options percent change in volatility, meaning that for a certain strike price the option is having more volatility. And for MMAT, you can see that for the strike of $3 for the options expiring September 17th, you can see a change, 75% change in volatility, meaning that people are buying more and more. So let's see the option chain now before we talk about other things, and which I'm so bullish. If you look at the nearest expiration date, which is 17th of September, which is after 15 days to expire, look at the call option activity. So for 3 strike price there are 4,500 call option still open, but look at this number for 4, 5, 6, these call options, right? 12,000, 13,000 is still open, and on that side the volume is still 3,000, 9,000, 9,000. The important thing is if you look at 80 strike price, 5,000 volume here and 15,000 open interest, so a lot, right? If I go back little more, 15th of October, you will see and you will be surprised that even for this strike price, let me see, why it is not showing. I think bar chart is not updated yet. So if you look at this year for January 21 next year, still 10 strike price. I remember something, let me show you. Yeah, so I came to Yahoo just to show you. So for MMAT here, for the options expiring October 15th, look at the thing here. For 10 strike price, there is 1,700 and 3,900 call option. For 18 strike, there is 2,000 volume here and 5,300 call option is still open. So there are a lot of concentration of 18 strike price. If you want to gamble, you can try few things. You can just try the October call option, just spend $44, buy 1 call option and forget. As long the price will go higher, this thing will go higher. You see those people bought this around $30, now it is 44, which is 46% up in one day. If MMAT goes to $6, $7, $8, this thing will definitely go higher. If you want, I would say go with like in the money or like 5, 6, 7, those areas, because the delta is higher. So if the share price is going higher, you will get more gain. So again, if you look at the chart, you can see there is a resistance around 5.8. so if you want, I would say go with 5, 6 or even 7. It's up to you how much you want to invest. Anyway, if the share price is going higher, you will make money. Now let's look at the chart. First of all, 5.8. so instead of a daily chart, I'm moving to a 2-hour chart because I want to show you what is happening. Extended, regular. No, I don't want regular, I just want to show extended. Yeah, why I'm showing this, look at the area around 5.8 area. So recently it went pre-market 5.8, then came down, it came to 4.1. Again, you see how it is going higher, and today it touched around 4.8, came down. Maybe I'm going back to a 15-minute chart. You see it was having some kind of resistance around 5.8, 5.8, and now it is really pushing. Then now the price is 5.85. And why I'm so bullish, because the next area is around 6.5. Again, I'm going back to 1-hour chart. I'm just going back and forth, but I want to show you something, right? So this is the line we are talking, right? Around 5.7, 5.8 resistance. If MMAT can go over or even open over 5.8, I think the next destination is around 6.5, because there is nothing in between. It can really run between these lines. You can see that even sometime in June, like it went up here, came down, so 6.5 would be the next stop. But the fun will really start if it goes over 6.5. And again, I'm not pumping the stock, I'm just saying if it goes, there's a if it goes over 6.5, I think the next stop will be 7.8. After 7.8, I'm just purely looking at the chart. It doesn't mean if you go over 7.8 it will go to 9.3, but I think when something squeezes, you need to know what are the levels you should be looking at if you want to get out or lock your profit. So this is one thing. On the upside, after 5.8 we have 6.5, 7.8 and 9.3. On the other hand, if it comes down, maybe it can give another pullback to 5.4. Who knows, maybe a pullback to 5.4, or it will just push again, or it will never come back. It will stay over 5.8 and it will really push. So again, I'm going back to a 15-minute chart just to give you a sense. So today we were touching the resistance 5.4 sometime, right? So that is why I'm saying it might come back to 5.4 and bounce back, or it might not come. So you need to know. And tomorrow is Friday. Sometime Friday is a sale of day. People take profit Friday afternoon. So you need to know about the overall market yet. But again, very, very bullish. I'm really excited to see at what point we will stop today after hour. Also, at what point it will open tomorrow pre-market. Maybe it can go to 6.5 tomorrow. We will be in a good profit, whoever is holding. So again, congratulations whoever is holding, because it came all the way to $2.83 and it is almost doubling your money. So 2.8, 5.6 is, you have doubled your money. Congratulations. So anyway, if you found this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I would say do not forget to join my Patreon community, get access to our Discord, and during the day we can all make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.